Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to use Google Lens for beginners. The Google Lens app is the most straightforward way to access the tool. This is the recommended approach for Android and Apple devices. First, download and open the Google Lens app. Accept the permissions to give Lens access to your camera. To use Lens with your live camera, tap the camera icon. To use Lens with a saved photo, tap the image icon in the lower left corner of the app. Give the app access to your image gallery by tapping Allow Access. Select an image to use Lens with that image. Google Photos is the default photo app on most Android devices. The Lens is built into the app. Whether you use an Apple or Android device, download Google Photos with images synced to use Lens. Open Google Photos and select a photo. Tap the Google Lens icon in the lower right corner. The Google Search app is another good option for accessing Lens on various devices. This app is pre-installed on most Android devices, but iPhone or iPad owners must download it from the App Store. Open Google App from your home screen or app drawer. Tap the Lens icon on the right side of the search bar. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.